Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to use the Pro mode in your camera in your OPPO Reno 15. The first thing that we have to do is to open our camera. Tap this button over here. Here, now we need to go to photo or video. Here we do have these basic settings over here, such as EV, which is the white balance, such as HDR, the quality, as you can see over here, focus lock, sound focus, and etc. in the settings. The same, almost the same as in the photo, but in the photo we do have something called light photo, on normal light, timers, etc. But we want to talk about the Pro mode, something which is better. Go to Pro, and now as you can see we do have a lot of cool information over here, such as ISO. We can decrease and increase the ISO, manage the shutter speed, as you can see, manage the focus and white balance. And here, as you can see, we have this EV over here, which is probably this is not white balance, this is the exposure. Pardon me, this is my mistake, rookie mistake, I know, but this is the EV exposure. And now to reset your default, set to this setting to the default that you, for example, made any changes, tap this arrow over here. And remember, I preferably use all the automatic settings here in the Pro mode, because if you change something, you need to know something about it to have it changed for better quality, because the automatic is always the best for your environment. Here, if you tap this info icon, you can see all the information about the options and you can read something about it, and the same as here in the gear icon. We do have focus peaking, interval shooting, histogram, and any settings, and of course timers. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.